In this video, we are going to look at the flash fill feature in Excel. Flash fill is used to autofill cells by sensing a pattern. Let's look at practical examples. Say you are given product code in this format and you are asked to get the first 4 digits out of this product code. The first 4 digits here are 1011, 1012, and so on. Type in the first cell the first 4 digits 1011 and click enter. Then on your keyboard press Ctrl E to get the rest of the first 4 digits. Now let's go to the next one. You want to get the last 4 digits of this product code, so type the last 4 digits you have here, which is A200. Click enter and press Ctrl E on your keyboard to get the rest of the last 4 digits. So let's come here. You want the middle digits, that's 2, 3, 4. Click enter and press Ctrl E. Ctrl E will give you the rest of the middle digits. Excel has sensed the pattern that you want and it will give you the rest of the data in that pattern. So let's come to this one, days. Now you want the first alphabet of this days in the week. Very simple. Type M in the first cell to represent Monday. Click enter and press Ctrl E to get the rest of the first alphabet of these days of the week. So here also we want the first 3 alphabets. Type MON to represent Monday for the first data, then Ctrl E, press Ctrl E on your keyboard to get the rest of the first 3 alphabets. Now look at this one. You want the first, no, let's say you want the last 3 here. You want the last 3 alphabets. So what you do, type the last 3 alphabets DAY, press enter and press Ctrl E on your keyboard to get the rest of the last 3 alphabets. You can see that this didn't work out for us. That's because Excel does not understand what you want. Excel thinks you want the 4th alphabet downward. So what you need to do if you didn't get what you want is to train Excel to understand what you want. So you type again in the second cell what you want, D, that's the last 3 alphabets. Click on enter, then press Ctrl E again to get the rest of the last 3 alphabets. Ctrl E. So if typing in the first cell does not work, type again in the second cell and press Ctrl E. Then by so doing, Excel must have understood what you want to do. Now let's look at another way you can use flash fill. Flash fill can be used to combine 2 names. For example, here we have first name and last name. If you want to combine this into one cell, you can use the flash fill feature to get this. Now to get the full name, I'll type Ade Kemi, press enter and press Ctrl E to get the rest of the full names.